Emrgy provides a sustainable way to tap into new energy resources within existing waterways and convert that energy into clean, reliable electric power. We build small, modular, flexible turbines that can be scaled at high quantities for growth in power generation that can serve those around it. They're placed directly into waterways, often no need for anchoring or modification of the existing infrastructure whatsoever. Our vision is that the future of energy is distributed. Between solar, wind, and distributed hydropower now being available, customers should be able to get the energy that they need local to where they live. And so Emrgy provides a continuous and reliable electricity solution. We would love to leave a legacy of refining and disrupting how power is generated and delivered this century in a way that can be low impact to the environment, reliable around the clock as water flows, and cost effective for enabling power generation for everyone. The Atlanta Demonstration Project was an opportunity to partner with Invest Atlanta, and Invest Atlanta stewarded Emrgy into conversations with a city department that was most relevant for being able to demonstrate and pilot our technology. They made an introduction to the city's Department of Watershed Management, and then working with the appropriate plant, we were given access to that site to be able to install our product, demonstrate it, and work together with the plant to really understand what their needs were, what their customer requirements were. And it gave us a really deep insight into how to best work with a prospective customer. For me, the opportunity to test out our product and demonstrate it and pilot it here in a relevant environment for a potential customer was really priceless. It was very important as we moved into an array pilot with Denver Water to reference back here to Atlanta and how the project was going, and the fact that Atlanta was partnered with us first. The best thing about being an entrepreneur in Atlanta is that there is an intimate community of startups and entrepreneurs who are working on exciting transformational technologies that are backed by deep engineering and supported here with the university system at Georgia Tech. We have access to any city across the world through our airport. We have a very supportive city government. We believe Atlanta is the best place to start a business given these various support activities that the city can and does actively do for startups. We are proud to be an Atlanta startup, and we wave the Atlanta flag everywhere we go.